Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Google Play balance and the exact amount you can spend. Open Play Store, tap your profile, and note the balance and country. This matters because sellers enforce region rules. Once done, find a trustworthy digital gift card vendor that accepts Google Play as payment. Don't waste time on unknown apps. You will need the seller's app or web checkout ready, plus your Amazon account email so you can redeem the card immediately after purchase. You now purchase an Amazon gift card through the chosen vendor using Google Play Balance as the payment method. Select the exact card amount, round down if necessary to avoid failed transactions, and enter your Amazon email or choose a code delivery option. During checkout, pick Google Play or associated billing to charge your Play balance. Make sure the seller confirms the transaction. Once charged, copy the delivered code immediately and keep screenshots in case you need to dispute the purchase later. Finally, redeem the Amazon gift card code in your Amazon account under Apply a Gift Card. Paste the code and confirm the updated balance before buying. You can now check out using the Amazon balance instead of a card. If the code is invalid or your Google Play payment was declined, immediately contact the seller with the transaction ID and screenshots. Make sure your Play account region matches the seller's requirements. If needed, request a refund to your original Play balance and retry with another provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.